Claremont, Saint, and Jamaica. The Marcus Garvey High Technical is mourning the loss of a student, and his body was found dangling from
Much for this is Wayne One, you know, so may I represent for Deep Roots TV. This one is a bombshell. Check it out.
Yeah, greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. If it's the first time you tune to the Rastaman channel, if you have not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button, turn on the notification. Ladies and gentlemen, follow me on TikTok, don't do flip-flop, ladies and gentlemen, as the Marcus Garvey High Technical student right now in the parish of St. Anne has been shaken. As per report, a 12-year-old boy named Aaron Richards of the Forte George district in Claremont, St. Anne's address is found lifeless, hanging from a balcony on Tuesday. Richards was a student of Marcus Garvey Technical High School in the parish. His body was found around 4:09 p.m. Following the discovery of the body, police were summoned and the body was removed to the morgue after the police arrived on the scene. Limited information surrounding the incident has been presented so far. The police are still investigating, ladies and gentlemen. The Jamaican authorities are asking anyone with information about this death or about this incident should contact the local police station and also dial the 119 or just call the 114. Ladies and gentlemen, call Crime Stoppers if you know what's going on. St. Anne, Jamaica, in the Forte George area of Claremont. Imagine a young 12-year-old of Marcus Garvey Technical High School. Body was found dangling from the balcony, ladies and gentlemen, and there are no information right now what could have occurred. Ladies and gentlemen, we really need to look into the mental health of the community, because for a young 12-year-old youth to be in a situation where it appears that him probably off himself, middle day in the evening, 4:09, unbelievable. We have to look into this, ladies and gentlemen, and see what's going on. If you have any information about this incident, it's a young youth, 12-year-old youth, ladies and gentlemen. His name is Aaron Richards from Forte George district in Claremont, St. Andrew. Unfortunately, he was found hanging from a balcony. His lifeless body was retrieved and brought to the morgue, ladies and gentlemen. The authorities are asking for assistance in this case. I'm Rastafari Soldier, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment. Let us know what we could do to make Jamaica safe again. And more life and more joy. Subscribe to the channel.
Now, may I say, this is Stash speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwell. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV.
Deep Roots TV. Big up yourself.
Fire,